Good, good, good. Okay, guys, this is example 1. We did it. Now we have check under example 1, page 333. Talal, are you with me, حبيبي?
Yeah.
طب يلا يا حبيبي, quickly, don't waste time. يلا.
Okay.
ايش اللي A؟ read يا ابني.
A, part A.
يا ابني read the question. Read the question. الله يسعدك. The check under example 1.
The solution of inequality x plus 3.
Where are you? Where are you? الله يسعدك يا حبيبي. We have check a question. See it?
Yeah.
Read it.
Oh, okay. Solve x plus h.
يلا solve
X plus h.
x plus what?
Plus h. 6 plus h.
يا ابني read ايش مالك انت؟ 6 plus h. ايوه.
Less than
negative 9. 6 plus h. Less than or equal يا ابني. There is equal sign here. See it?
Oh, okay.
6 plus h less than or equal negative 9. يلا. Tell me how we'll solve this inequality. What's the first step?
We subtract both by 6.
ممتاز. First step, we rewrite the inequality. Write the inequality again. So 6 plus h less than or equal negative 9. Now the connected number is 6 and the 6 is positive, right?
Yeah.
So we subtract 6 from both sides. Minus 6 here and minus 6 here. Also, do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, 6 minus 6, ya Talal?
0. So no.
0. And still here h, right?
Yeah.
And this comes down, less than or equal. Now, minus 9, minus 6, how much?
Negative 14.
14.
15.
Excellent. Negative 15. صح. h less than or equal negative 15. ممتاز. This is the solution. Now we will graph it. Let's graph it. I'll put the negative 15 at the middle and you will tell me now. I will put open circle or a closed circle here.
Closed circle.
Closed circle. Good. Now read the inequality. H, read it.
H less than or equal negative 15.
H less than or equal negative 15 means I will go to the right, left or to the right?
Go to the right.
Do you understand how we go to the right or to the left?
Not exactly.
Okay. If we have more than, like this one, see this one? More than,
Yeah.
right? We go to the right. If we have less than, we go to the left. Got it?
Okay.
So here I will go to the left, and this is my solution area. Now I will ask you a question. Is negative 15 belongs to the solution area?
Yeah, because it is closed circle.
Because it has open, is closed circle. Do you understand, Yabni?
Yeah.
Good boy. Thank you. Copy, guys. This check. Copy it in your book, please. And by the way, here you will solve the inequality. And here, see the negative 15, guys, at the middle, you graph the solution here, okay?
Sir, we solved it yesterday.
I know, Mister. I just repeat it for some students, okay?
Mr. Also on page...
Now, let's move to example 2 now. Example 2. On the next page, we have example 2. Let's do it. Example 2 with Hamas Madi. Read.
Okay, Mr.
Yalla.
Example 2. Solve 0.4 plus y less than or equal than negative 9.6. Check your solution, then graph the solution set on a number line.
Okay, let's solve and graph.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me, what's the first step here to solve this inequality?
we subtract
No, yeah,
both-
mister. We write the inequality again, always.
we write the inequality again, then we
Now, where is the
subtract,
connected number here?
0. What?
The connected number means the number with the variable.
Oh, number with the variable 0.4.
0.4 is the connected number. So we add it or we subtract it in
We
both sides.
subtract it.
Because
But-
it's positive. So I will subtract 0.4 in both sides, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, 0.4 minus 0.4, it's gone.
Is
right?
0. Is 0. And we drop the
Now
y
still
down.
Less than or equal negative
Less than or
9.6, negative 0.4.
equals
How much?
equals negative 10.
Exactly.
So the answer,
Now
in the
let's graph it.
solution. Okay.
Let's graph it here together. This is negative 10 at the middle.
It is
Open
closed
or close
circle.
circle? Close
Closed
circle.
circle. And
To
then
the
the
right or to
solutions
the
on
left?
the left. The solutions onto the left.
To the left because we have less than. Good boy.
Yes.
Thank you. This is example 2, guys. It's already solved in your book. We have check under example 2. Check. You will do it in your book. The check under example 2, guys. We will do it with Faris.
Solve x plus 1.3.
علي صوتك يا ابني.
Solve x plus 1.3
ايوه.
less than 5.4.
Less than alone without equal, right?
Yeah.
يلا. What's the first step يا فارس?
Rewrite the solution.
Rewrite the inequality. X
Yeah,
plus 1.3 less than 5.4. Where is the variable here يا ابني?
X
What's the connected number?
1.3.
We add or we subtract in both sides?
Subtracted both sides.
Yeah, we subtract in both sides because this is positive. So here, minus 1.3 in both sides, right?
Right.
Yeah. Now tell me, these are gone, still x less than. Here, 5.4 minus 1.3, how much?
4.1.
4.1. So the solution is x less than 4.1. Let's graph it together. Here the 4.1. Now tell me, open or close?
Close.
No يا مستر. Do we have equal sign؟ يعني مش عارف هذه صعبة القصة. Do we have equal sign?
No.
So it's open circle. Here we had equal sign. So it's what?
Close.
ركز. يلا. Open or close circle here I will put.
Open.
Open circle. I will go to the right or to the left?
Right. Because x is less than.
I will go to the left or to the right?
I meant left.
Left. Because it's less than, I will go to the left like this. Is it difficult, Yabni?
No.
Good boy. Copy, guys. This is the check and the graph. Copy. Copy quickly, guys. Now, the solution, you will copy it here, guys, in part A. And here in 4.2, you will put your circle and you will graph to the left. This is example 2 and the check of it. Now we'll go to example 3 together. Copy, guys. This is the check under example 2. Copy, please. Yusuf Ahmad.
Yes.
Read.
Solve negative 6 greater or equal n minus 5. Check your solution.
لحظة واحدة شوي يلا. Solve the inequality. What's the inequality?
Negative 6
Negative 6
greater or equal
greater than or equal
n minus 5.
m minus 5.
n
يلا.
n n
n. Okay. مش بيننا. n minus 5. Good boy. Now.
check your solution.
خلاص we will solve and graph. We know the question. Now what's the first step, يا Yusuf? Tell me.
Rewrite the inequality.
Rewrite the inequality. Negative 6 more than or equal n minus 5. Then where is the variable?
The variable n
n.
minus
What's the connected number?
minus 5.
Minus 5. We will add or subtract in both sides?
Will add.
We will add 5 in both sides, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Line. Now tell me. In this
It will
side, minus 5 gone with a plus
it will be
5,
done.
right?
Yes.
It's still n.
n smaller
Less than or
n
equal comes
minus
down.
1.
Minus 6 plus 5, how much?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. ممتاز. Now, let's graph the solution, يبني. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, here my line, and this is the negative 1, right?
Yes.
Now,
Close circle.
close circle, because we have equal signs. Now tell me, read the inequality.
Minus 1 greater than.
No. Yesterday we said always we read from the variable. It's important. Where is the variable?
In the right side.
So read from the n. Yalla, what we say?
n smaller than or equal minus 1.
N less than or equal minus 1. Do not read it, guys, and this is important, huh? If you read it minus 1 more than n, you will graph to the right because you say more than. No. We read it from the variable. Where is the variable? Read it from it. N less than or equal negative 1. Now the word less than, we will go to the right or to the left of the number?
To the left.
To the left, and this is the left. Right? Be careful of this idea, guys. Don't say minus 1 more than or equal n. No. Because more than means you will go to the right, which is wrong. You always read it from the variable. N less than or equal minus 1. And the word less than means the left, not the right. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
Good boy. This is example 3. Now let's go to the check. Under example 3, we have check. Let's go to the check question under example 3 with yes.
Yes.
Yalla, yes. Check under example 3. Read.
Check solve x minus 2.3 more than or equal negative 8.5.
Good. Then grab the solution, right? Part A and B.
Yes.
Yeah. What's the first step, yeah, mister?
Rewrite the inequality.
Yalla, let's rewrite the inequality. X minus 2.3 more than or equal negative 8.5. Then
Plus 2.3 both sides.
exactly. We add 2.3 in both sides. Mumtaz. These are gone, right?
Yes. X.
Now, still here x more than or equal. What's the answer of these? Negative 8.5 plus 2.3.
Negative 6.2.
Excellent. We subtract and put the bigger sign, remember?
Yes.
6.2 you mean, right? 6.2. This is the solution in part A. Now in part B, we will graph the solution, right?
Yes.
Here is negative 6.2. Now, open or close circle?
Close.
Closed. Type. Read the solution. Read it.
X more than or equal negative 6.2.
And read this one.
N less than or equal negative 1.
Here, n less than or equal. Here, x more than or equal. Do you understand the difference?
Yes.
Yeah. So x more than or equal negative 6.2. I will go to the right or to the left?
To the right.
To the right. Do you understand it, mister?
Yes.
Good boy. Thank you. Copy, guys. This is part A here. And down here, you will do part B in your number line. It's already graphed in your book.
I missed by myself, by the way.
Copy, guys, please.
I made it by myself, by the way.
What?
I made it by myself, by the way. I'm just saying.
Okay, guys, this is your lesson, how to solve addition and subtraction inequality. But I wanna be sure that you understand this one. For example, when I say x less than or more than, sorry, 5, and this one, they are the same. They are the same. Even they are opposite. Why? Because we always read from the variable. Always read from the variable. Do not read from the number. It's wrong. Now, when we read from the variable, we can graph it correctly. We can graph it correctly, okay? Now here we say x more than 5. And here we don't say 5 less than x. No, we say x more than 5. We always start from the variable. So we always do to the right. Don't forget that. It's important. Okay? Now, I want you to take a look to your practice page. Practice page. See it?
Mr. I solved 1 to 4 yesterday.
Good boy. Page 339. The practice page 339, guys. Take a look to the practice page in your book here. See it?
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
mister.
Now, this is your homework for today, guys. What you will do in your book, you will solve the question here, and here you will graph the solution. Okay?
Mr.
Now,
I solved it in the copybook.
yes, but I want you to copy the answers here also, okay?
Okay.
And send it on Classera. Now, guys, my strategy in the homework depends on you most. Now, look here. What you will do today, you will do the homework, okay, guys? Take a picture of it and send it where? On Classera, on my inbox. You know how, right?
Yeah.
Now, tomorrow, no, not tomorrow. Today at the night, late night, maybe 9, 10 p.m., I will send you the key answers. I will send you what?
The key answers.
the key answers. What you will do, guys, and get used on that. What you will do, you will compare between your homework and what? The key answers. And you will see if you have mistakes, fix them. Fix them. If all are correct, good for you. Okay? Means you will check for yourself. You will what? Check for yourself. I'm not here, you are not here to check for you, okay? So you will check for yourself. And if you check yourself and you know your mistakes, it's very good for you. Means you understand it very well. Unless you have a question, you didn't understand it. What you will do, you will make a star in your question. Then tomorrow, inshallah, in our period, at the first, you will ask me about. Got it? This is my strategy, guys. So what you will do again, you will do the homework, take a picture of it and send it to my classera. And what I will do for you, I will send for you the key answers. Okay, the correct answers. Then what you will do, you will compare between your homework and the key answers. And check for yourself. Okay? If you have mistake, fix them. If you don't understand any question, just make a circle on it and you ask me about it tomorrow. Do you understand it, guys? Any question about this thing here?
No.
If you have any question, keep your hand. If you don't have, guys, remove your hands, please, so I can manage the thing here. If you have any question, put your hand. If you don't, remove it. Abdullah.
Yes, mister.
Yes.
Mister, I didn't hear what is the question, what's the homework?
Page 339.
Yes? All of
Yes.
it?
Yep, all of it.
Oh, okay. Thank you, mister.
Thank you. Welcome. Do you understand the lesson, Yabni? Abdullah.
Yes, mister, I understand it. Thank you.
Good boy. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, mister.
Rashid.
مستر why don't
Yes.
you يعني تنزل الهوم ورك كواجب على كلاسيرا واحنا نصور بدل
لا,
ما
mister, you do the homework in your book, send your answers, and I will send you the key answers, and you will compare, okay?
okay
Thank you. Else, do you understand the lesson, Rashid?
yes mister
Are you sure?
yes it's easy
Okay, thank you.
welcome
Else, we have Faris. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Yes.
What?
The fraction. There is the a fraction equation.
So there's a fraction. Do you have problem with the fractions?
Yes. Like any question, but it has fraction.
Hello?
I don't know.
Mister, he's talking about number 7.
7 or
Number
8.
7.
Yeah.
Okay, number 7, ya Faris.
Yeah, or 8.
طيب. What's the problem of number 7? What's your problem? Fraction, mister. You need to subtract 1 over 3 from both sides. You don't know how we subtract fractions.
3 we turn it to 3 over 1.
Yeah, I know.
معلش عمر, don't talk. Faris, talk with me.
Yes.
Do you know how to add and subtract fractions?
Yes, I know.
So what's the problem?
I don't know, but what we should do, like when we graph.
Graph عادي. What's the answer? Assume that x less than 3 over 4, for example. You put your line, put 3 over 4, and make left or right. What's the problem?
Thanks.
Welcome. Fraction, guys. You are grade 7 now, okay? طيب, Abdullah, Bawadi.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Abdullah.
What if we have the same variable 2 times?
What?
What if we have the variable 2 times in the
Example, give me
equation,
example here.
X plus 1 multiply X.
Multiply.
Yes.
Mr.
No,
make it
this is
minus.
not the idea of today. We'll take it later. The multiplication inequalities.
Okay.
Else, guys. Any questions? Do your homework, as we said, guys, page 339. And if you don't know how to do any question, you can ask me about it tomorrow. Send your homework and wait my corrections for you, the correct answers. Then you can compare your answers. Thank you so much. Omar, you can stop recording and send it after you download it. And tomorrow again.